Here, as a member of the National Working Committee of our great party, we do not take your support for granted. We will continue to work with you. We will continue to partner with you. And our president, the performing president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will continue to hold you and work with you. For us in the All Progressive Congress, our coming to this place this afternoon is not about a political party. Yesterday, my brother paid me a very, very important visit in my village, and I remain grateful to you for that visit. But just to let you know that as a political party, we are aware that our main business in politics is to unite Rivers State. Continue to unite Rivers State. This kind of unity, the unity we have today in Rivers State, is not easy to be accomplished. We owe you that support, we owe you that friendship, and we are praying. We have consulted a lot of prayer warriors so that you will change your mind and leave the PDP. And come and join our party. That prayer, I know it will work.
This is a time for Rivers people to come together.
They didn't tell me. They didn't tell me they are moving. What they said, that if they have told me, I would have refused. So they said they had to do the needful. But we'll talk about that later at the appropriate time. So, the two chairmen, the chairman of my party has not been happy. He comes to me every day. Chukwemeka, Aaron Chukwemeka. He says, sir, I'm not comfortable, I'm not happy. I said, what happened? He said, how can I be a minority? Did I start with minority? I said, no, brother, this politics, me, I'm tired though. I said, what do you want me to do? He said, you are the one who brought them. I said, are they the only ones I brought? Why do you think I have influence on them? I will not have influence on other people. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare. Aaron Chukwemeka and the chairman of APC, Tony Okocha, I greet all of you. The two ambassadors, prominent ambassadors, former chairman of my party, who still remains in the party, a Federal Commission, Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission, Ambassador Desmond Akawo, who was my DG. He was my DG when I was running for governorship. Two-time DG. Did very well. And I never abandoned him. And I will not abandon him. And the ambassador who represented Nigeria in Jamaica and all other countries I may not be able to mention, who was former chairman of Ogubolo. I was not happy with her at that time. I fought her, but she defeated us. But she's still my friend, Warren Tamuno. I thank you most sincerely. The chairman of chairmen, the man who inspired. Why am I going this far? It's to let you know that I don't abandon people who have stood for me, who have identified with me. I may not do what you exactly want me to do, but for me to turn my eye on you, I will not do that. It's not in my character, and I will not do it. I'm just trying to let you so you know. People who open their mouth, they talk. People who don't know anything, they just say, hey, we took you to so place in the villa. Illiterate. Illiterate. You know, I just laugh. I'm sure they are seeing me, they are hearing me. Hear me well. You know, both of them, all of them connected. I was one who paid for the forms for anybody who want to run election. Not as governor, House of Assembly, National Assembly. Let one person raise his hand to say he bought form. Let one person. We said we are all family members. There's no need to bring acrimony in our house. Don't spend their money. We will agree on who will run. The day we took the final decision, the chairman of Elders Council nearly collapsed. He's here, Federal Labraba. He nearly collapsed. OCJ was there. Chief Awuse was there. Omehe was there. I am calling names so you know. OCJ was there. It's OCJ, has he left? Is here, OCJ is here. He was there. Fedi was there. Awuse was there. Omehe was there. If you know what happened, Fedi nearly collapsed. Why? He wanted a governor for the Riverine area. When I looked at him, I said, how will I allow this old man to just die? I said, look, whatever it is, let's not create the impression that there are people who want to monopolize power. Let's allow everybody to be part of it. We belong to one Rivers state. He's here. If I wanted, nobody would have stopped me. Nobody had what it takes to even near me. Nobody. I said, no, I will do what is right. And I did it. And all of us agreed. And to God be the glory, don't regret what I did. I will never regret what I did. Because I want the unity of this state for us to forge ahead. Today, I just want to make one confession to you. I work with Mr. President. And there's no way I can disobey Mr. President. It's not possible. Whether I'm even working with you, but the mere fact Mr. President calls you, say, look, I want peace here. There's no way I can disobey Mr. President. I may not be happy in all resolution, but you owe a duty. If Mr. President has called for peace, who are you to say you don't want peace? I will not attach any condition to what Mr. President has told me. I will not do it.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.